When it comes to home improvements, many homeowners are looking for ways to enhance their property's value and appeal. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is the installation of new windows. If you're a homeowner in Fayetteville, North Carolina, considering ways to boost your home's value, replacing old windows might be the smart choice. Here's how new windows can make a significant difference in your home's value and overall appeal. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the primary benefits of installing new windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Whether it's the summer heat or winter chill, your HVAC system has to work overtime, leading to higher energy bills. New windows, especially those with energy-efficient glazing and modern insulation, can dramatically reduce air leakage. Many modern windows are designed with low E-glass coatings and gas fills like argon or krypton, which help to minimize heat transfer. As a result, your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, making it more comfortable year-round. This energy efficiency not only translates to savings on your monthly utility bills but also increases your home's appeal to prospective buyers who are increasingly focused on sustainability and lowering energy costs. In Fayetteville, where temperatures can vary dramatically across seasons, having energy-efficient windows can be an attractive selling point. Curb appeal and aesthetic value. The first thing potential buyers notice about your home is its exterior. New windows can drastically enhance your home's curb appeal, making it stand out in a competitive real estate market. Whether you're replacing outdated, single-pane windows or upgrading to modern double-hung windows, the change in the overall look of your home can be dramatic. In Fayetteville, homes with traditional or colonial architecture can benefit from new windows that complement their style, while modern homes can look sleek and contemporary with updated window designs. From traditional wooden frames to sleek vinyl options, the variety of window styles available ensures that you can choose an option that complements your home's unique look and enhances its value. Increased natural light and better ventilation. New windows can open up your home to more natural light, creating a brighter, more inviting space. Homes that are well lit tend to feel more spacious and welcoming, which is appealing to both residents and prospective buyers. Additionally, modern windows often come with better ventilation systems. Newer models are designed with easy-to-use mechanisms that allow for better airflow, keeping your home fresher and more comfortable. In Fayetteville, where humidity levels can sometimes be high, proper ventilation can prevent moisture buildup, reducing the risk of mold or mildew in your home. Improved security and safety. Safety is a major concern for homeowners, and upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance the security of your home. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms that are much harder to tamper with compared to older models. For families in Fayetteville, especially those in neighborhoods where security is a top priority, installing windows with features such as laminated glass, reinforced frames, or impact-resistant panes can offer peace of mind. Windows that are harder to break into not only make your home safer but also increase its value in the eyes of potential buyers. Return on investment, ROI. Replacing old windows is often considered one of the best home improvement investments, with a high return on investment, ROI, when it comes time to sell. According to industry studies, homeowners can recover a significant portion of their investment in new windows, often recouping over 70% of the cost at resale. In Fayetteville, where the real estate market is steadily growing, having a home with energy-efficient and attractive new windows can make your property stand out in a competitive market. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy the benefits of modern windows, the investment will likely pay off. Noise reduction for a more peaceful home. Fayetteville, like many cities, can experience varying levels of noise from traffic, neighbors, or other external sources. New windows, particularly those with double or triple pane glass, offer excellent soundproofing qualities. These windows are designed to reduce outside noise, helping you maintain a peaceful and quiet indoor environment. This added benefit makes your home more comfortable and can be a significant selling point for buyers who are seeking a tranquil living space in a bustling neighborhood. Conclusion: upgrading your windows is more than just an aesthetic improvement. It's a smart investment that can increase your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall market value. If you're a homeowner in Fayetteville looking to sell or simply want to enhance your living experience, installing new windows should be a priority. The benefits are clear: better curb appeal, lower utility costs, improved safety, and an overall higher home value. Make the investment today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.